You ever get a quote or a decision that makes you pause? Like you and your friend apply for the same apartment, same income range, same vibe. They get approved fast, and you get additional review. Or you shop for car insurance and the price is suddenly wild. No accidents, no tickets, still expensive. If that's ever happened, I need you to hear this. You're not crazy. You're not bad with money. You didn't do anything wrong. It might not be you. It might be your data. Because there's a whole cybersecurity problem nobody explains in plain English. A hidden market where big data about real people gets packaged, scored, and sold. This is the data economics of your life. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you who's selling it, how it gets priced, and the 3 moves that cut the easiest supply lines. Episode 1 was Where You Go, the Stalker Map. Episode 2 was Who You Are, your digital fingerprint, and why prediction beats surveillance. This is episode 3, Who's Using It? And if you've ever Googled data brokers privacy, this is the video you were looking for. Here's the part that feels like a gut punch. That prediction doesn't stay inside one app. It gets collected, merged, and resold, like it's inventory. Think of data brokers like wholesalers. They're not the credit bureaus, but they can still feed decision engines. They don't need your permission to want your info. They just need enough data collection happening around you to build a profile. And that profile is built through data mining. Location patterns, app behavior, browsing habits, purchase signals, even the quiet tracking stuff you never notice. Now zoom out. Imagine a warehouse filled with boxes. Each box is a digital version of a person. One box is labeled New Parent. Another says Recent Mover. Another says Likely to shop late at night. Some labels are accurate, some are messy, but the box still gets a price tag. Then those boxes move into a marketplace, a digital mall you'll never see. Companies buy segments, scores, and risk categories. And this is where it starts touching real life. Because once your profile hits the pricing layer, it can influence what gets offered to you and what quietly disappears. Maybe you get the premium insurance quote. Maybe your loan offer shows up with a higher APR. Maybe you stop seeing certain job listings because the system decided you're unlikely to convert. It's not always accurate, but it is profitable. And the creepiest part? You didn't sit down and tell anyone, here's my habits, my stress, my routine. You didn't type risk level into a form. They bought it. So let's do the decoder move. Not panic, control. In a second, I'm putting a cheat sheet on screen. You can screenshot and follow like a shortcut. The 3-step shield is simple. Step 1, cut the cleanest signal. On iPhone, turn off cross-app tracking so apps can't stitch your behavior together as easily. Also turn off Apple's personalized ads so the system has less to learn from you. Step 2, start removing data from the internet where it's being sold. You can do manual opt-outs. It's annoying, but it works. You can also use a data broker removal service. You'll even see people search Best Data Broker Removal Service because the manual route is a pain. 2 well-known options are Incogni and Delete Me. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm giving you specific names so you're not stuck in generic land. Step 3, lock the high-stakes stuff. Freeze your credit with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It's free, it's reversible, and it's one of the strongest don't mess with me moves you can make. That's it. 3 moves. Big W. Quick check-in. Which part feels sketchy to you? Being packaged, being sold, or being priced? Because once you see the system, you stop blaming yourself, and you start protecting yourself. Subscribe and hit the bell. Stay smart, stay safe.